Hi everyone! So the resource I'm going to talk about in this video is called code.org. I wanted to include a coding website because I feel like that's becoming more and more popular to teach children. My nephew, actually, who's going into second grade, his parents are about to get him started in some coding education. So I feel like it's kind of something that we're going to need to know how to teach kids to do. So I've picked this website. I'm going to go here to teach. I picked this website because I tried a few other coding websites for kids and I felt like this one was the most intuitive. It kind of starts from the very beginning because I'm certainly not someone who's very skilled in coding. So I liked this because it was just very straightforward. So I'm coming down here to elementary school and going to click the CS Fundamentals. And when we go into here, it has a little explanation. I won't go into all that right now, but you can come down here and pick the grade level. For the sake of this video, I'm going to just pick second grade. And you can come in here and I'm going to pick this Programming with Angry Birds. So that's something that the video will tell you a little bit about it. I'm not going to click the video right now, but I thought that that's something, kids are interested in. And when you start this little exercise, it's very simple. It starts with just a few little blocks of codes, and it says right here exactly what they need to do. So we have when run, and then we're just going to move these blocks over here under. And actually I got one that I didn't need, so I'm going to put that in the trash. And so all I did was move the blocks over, and actually a cool thing is if you click this show code, it'll actually show you what the like the script is. And they say, the block coding is pretty popular now, even among older people. So, that's why they're teaching it this way. But it's also good, I think, for the kids to be able to see the script that's underneath the blocks. So we've finished this little block, and we can click run. And we see the bird goes and gets the pig what he's supposed to do. So, you can show the code here, click replay, or you continue and move to the next step in the program. And yeah, so I just thought that this was a really great, simple way to maybe get students started on coding if that's something that you're interested in doing. This is definitely a website that I'm going to utilize. And yeah, so thank you for watching.